Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. As the name of the video suggests, we are here to understand how much time does it take to be a successful trader. As a disclaimer, this video will be little longer than usual, so please be with me. Now, first and foremost, the question comes is why we want to come to trading? Why everyone wants to trade? So, I will let you know like this. I'll just generalize the statement. Few are not satisfied with the job. Few want some extra money because the money which they get they find it less, maybe as a passive or active income, or some want freedom of time because as you know, in trading it takes very short time to take a trade, and then if you are in profit you can leave for the day and maybe for a week also if you have got good profit. So it provides you a huge amount of freedom of in terms of time. Okay, now if we take the second part here, again, how we get to know about trading? Okay, it's either YouTube, friends, or by some ads. Okay, so these are few things which everyone has in common. Okay, now the next part, as you know, everyone knows that whenever they see a friend doing it or they see on YouTube, they see that there is very quick money here, and not only just quick money, huge amount of money. So people get huge money in very less period of time, and they see that it's just minutes of job. That is, for example, you have to click a buy button, you have to click a sell button, and you have money. So it seems very easy when you see someone doing it, and you see a person who's successful in trading. He is making huge amount of money, so it's already an attraction for everyone to come to trading. Okay, now on the contrary, I'll just keep this topic on halt, and I'll just discuss in normal terms. For example, if we see a plastic surgeon, if we see a scientist who charge huge amount of money for few hours of their time. Okay, why don't we go and tell someone that, okay, what he's doing, I'll do the same. From tomorrow, you pay me the same amount. Why don't we do that? We don't do that because we know there is a process involved in that. They have become doctors, they have become scientists, they have become engineers based on a process. There are set of instructions provided by government, by the educational authorities. For example, if you have to become an engineer or anything after your 12th, for example, 12th is A and B is your graduation. From A to B, there is set amount of instruction provided with set amount of time. If you are already done with all this, then you know that you will get a degree, and then you might end up getting a job based on this. Okay, again, based on skill set, again there you'll get the amount of money you should be paid. Right, now the problem comes in trading. You don't have any set of instruction or template to be a successful trader or to be a complete trader. Okay, you have A means your the current position, but to go to B, you don't know how much time it requires. You don't know what to do, you don't know what not to do, you don't know where to go. Any kind of instructions are not provided. Anyway, we don't have. So we just come to know based on some YouTubers, based on some people who are already successful in that field. They're nothing as such as in terms of proper process. Okay, it varies from person to person. Right. And one more thing, one more major problem with trading is why people come in trading. They think this not as a proper, what do you say, proper profession. They treat it as someone treat it as gambling. Some treat as for example, of quick money, get rich quick scheme, something like that. It is not like that. It is not like that. To start with, please treat trading as a business. This is a simple business, very simple. It's actually very simple. As I told, it takes just click of two buttons. Once you have to click buy, once you have to click sell, or vice versa, and then you have money credited or debited from your account. That's it. That's so damn simple. But to do this, it takes a lot of effort. It takes a lot of effort. Now coming to the main topic, how, I mean in this whole journey, how much time does it require to become a successful trader? Okay. And how can we become a successful trader? First question comes is, we, as I told, we come to know about this via some YouTube ad or a friend. What we do after knowing this, we directly go and open some demat account or a trading account, and then next day we start trading without even knowing anything. What we do, we just listen about something, we go and buy or sell something. Okay. And the unlucky part of this is, people who are coming on trading for first or second day, they make good profit. Why I say unlucky? Because after making profit, or like just buy or sell and then getting a profit, what happens here is they bring up more money. They add more money in their account. And then in period of 1 to 2 months of time, complete money becomes zero. They lose their bank account money, I mean, whichever they have saved, and also in the demat account, I mean, in the trading account, everything becomes zero, because they lose everything because they don't have any technical knowledge about it. Then after that, they join some, there are, I mean, even when you join, I mean, you make an account, you start getting calls from people that if you are trading, will provide you tips and something like that. Some don't take that, but some of them takes the, I mean, consider taking a tip. Okay. Now, what is the tip? You go to a person who knows it, and you assume that he knows it, and take some calls from him saying that when to buy or when to sell. Right. Some do this. Some go to Telegram. Okay. They have this many channels in Telegrams, and they see who is buying when, who is selling when, and then they join that group and they try to make money out of it. Again, dangerous process here is, maybe there are some people who provide genuine calls and you can make profit. But what if that person stops providing tips from tomorrow? Then you are again gone. But here also in normal terms, 80% or more, or even 80 to 90% of people end up making losses. Again, this takes a process of 1 to 2 months again. So in total, until now, we have already spent 4 months of time without knowing anything about market. We just know when to buy, when to sell, based on a person who says when to buy and when to sell. Right. Now the major part comes here. After this, we try to understand what is market. What is market? In the sense, until now we don't even know what is a candlestick, how it behaves. Forget about patterns. We don't know, like, how when market goes, it forms a wave, a line pattern, point and bar, or something like that, pointing, I mean, yeah, and then some Heiken-Ashi candles. We don't know that even still exists. We just see a price and we buy. Okay. Now, after understanding this by seeing some YouTube videos or something like that, we know that there's a candlestick update, chart, there's a line chart, and then we understand there are few things. Okay. After this, what we do, we see someone who's making huge profit on YouTube or Telegram, and then we end up going to that person and we learn from them. Okay. Now from here, what happens? Your learning starts. Okay. From here, your learning starts. Now, maybe it is from YouTube or Telegram. Okay. Here also, what we do is we take half knowledge. We understand when to buy, when to sell based on them, but we don't understand the logic behind it. Okay. Right. Now, some understand the logic, but they don't have patience. Okay. What happens here is, after making some profit, again, you start losing money. So ultimately, until now, you have already spent some amount of, I guess, 6 to 7 months of time. Okay. After this, many either leave market. Okay. Some fight, or some try to know, gain the knowledge. Okay. So we'll keep it as, okay. Here, now these people here, after, this no people, this leave, forget about them. They will always lose money now. Okay. Luckily, these people who have left, they are lucky because they are not fighting. But the people who are fighting will always lose money. Now we'll speak about the people who are looking for knowledge about trading. Okay. So let's understand how it works. after understanding about how, when, where to buy, okay, the problem comes when a person has to struggle psychologically. Now we don't understand what psychology has to do here. For example, if I said it's a simple buy or sell, and then you make a profit or loss, P&L, okay, we we are not only losing only money. We see, if you lose 10,000 in a day, for example, you will think it's maybe someone who has 1 crore, it's okay for them. But person who is earning 20,000 a month and he loses 20,000 in a day, the emotional drain over there is a lot. So what we do here is we try to learn from people. Again we go to new people. I mean, we have learned some of the YouTubers now, or some of the Telegram people. Okay, now we'll shift to some other YouTuber. Okay, again some other YouTuber. So here also, in this process, I said there are people who have come for knowledge. In terms of knowledge also, there are around 60% of people who will be shifting from one tutor to other one, because they have not understood the pure logic behind the trading, and they don't have a strong psychology to take the logic, I mean, take profit or losses, or to understand how market works. Now, in usual terms, all this happens, and then people, after what can I say, it takes around ideally 2 to 3 years for a normal person, I mean in ideal state, to become profitable. Okay, profitable in the sense, again remember, here whatever you are lost in 2 to 3 years, I don't say it is gained. Okay, it takes some time to gain. Maybe in a day also you can gain it, but it takes some time. Profitable in the sense, on monthly basis or on weekly basis, you are in green, you are earning money instead of losing it. Okay, in general terms it takes 2 to 3 years. Okay, some, as I told, people who keep switching the mentors, people who are just fighting, they end up being in huge losses, or they take maybe 10 years, 5 or 10 years of time. Got it? So it's usually like that. Now let's come to the next part. I mean, in what can be done better here. Now, if we understand how can this process be smaller, I myself took around 3.5 years to understand this, how to make this process smaller. Whenever you see a person who is trading, understand why he is doing that, understand why you want to do that, and then let's proceed how to do that. Okay, now you have to learn before you start trading. You either see, it's not learn based on giving money to someone and learning. It can be either by books or some videos. Okay, or some videos, or then again there are many other things. Maybe apart from videos, you can take some free webinars. There are people who provide free webinars. There are, yes, after books, webinars and videos, if you seriously are into learning part of the trading, learn from the person, or if you're paying to a person to learn from the person from whom you understand what he's saying in his videos, or even via call or anything. You have to understand it. If you're not understanding it, there's no point just going and paying him so that you'll be a successful trader. No, it does not work like that. One more major part before you come into trading is, you should know, you should have a spare capital. That means, for example, you have some 10K of money. By this, if you lose this, it will not affect your normal financial terms. Only then bring that money to trading, because here first 2-3 months you will lose, because you will be testing your strategies, you will be a little bit in hurry to make money, you will try to take wrong trades without knowing the logic behind it. So first 2-3 months you will lose money. Okay, luckily if you are very much confident and you're working very good, well enough that you're getting profit. But in ideal terms, this happens if you are coming with this intention of learning. That means, as I told, 3 years wherein we don't even know what is happening, and then we initially start understanding what we have to do and all. Here in the other terms, for example, wherein we know what to do and we see a video and then we read about it, we understand how to do that, and then we enter into market. There you have to have a spare capital. Then you have to learn from people. After 2-3 months of consistent testing of your strategy, for example, now here also there are few people who take a strategy, test for 2 days, they make a loss in that, and then shift to the other strategy. This does not work like that. When you're working on a strategy, at least you have to work with that for a month, or unless and until you use that completely, you will not feel that it was worth. Because if you say first 2 trades I took, it was loss, maybe every strategy has a probability of nearby, win percentage from 60 to 80%, for example. And maybe the chances are that those first 2 trades were part of those negative trades which might have ended, and after that would give you huge profits, but you did not even try it. So always try a strategy. Then after that, once you start learning how to make money, then it's upon you how to grow from here. There are many other parts of it. For example, if you want to do only future buying, you have to only future selling, option buying. There are many other things. But in ideal sense, there are 2 types of people, as I told. People who don't know anything, they might take 3 to 4 years from scratch, and if they are on right track. Other people who are learning from scratch and they know what they're doing, they might end up in 5 to 6 months of time. This is the usual case, and this is based on how you understand market, and then how you treat your mindset. It's all game about psychology. As I told you might understand the setup also, but then after understanding everything, psychology is a major part here. 80 to 90%, I can say 70 to 90% of the work is done by psychology. 10% is the setup. Now it's upon you how you develop it, and it's upon you how you grow on it. Okay, so in general terms, it will be this much for usual traders. I think that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for listening me for this long. Also, visit our website and Instagram channel. All the links are provided in the link below. For the calls with the proper entry and stop loss, please subscribe our Telegram channel. There we provide everything. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share the video. Thanks a lot.